Welcome to Induscan Petroleum Institute.
This is Induscan Petroleum Institute. It is situated at Nilambur town. Historically rich western downhill valley of Nilgiris, surrounded with fresh and healthy atmosphere of natural thick reserve forest bordering Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka states. In the year 2000, this institution has conducted detailed survey regarding the skill, attitude and aptitude of final semester mechanical engineers all over India. It is understood that a fresh mechanical engineer faces difficulties to take direct responsibilities in any organization because activities involved in various mechanical industries are different from each other. Engineers require additional specialization training to customize the activities of the industry. Induscan Petroleum Institute made in-depth analysis based on survey conducted in different types of mechanical construction companies regarding the job opportunities and skill requirements of mechanical engineers. Most of such industries, especially offshore oil and gas production platforms, onshore production facilities, oil refineries, thermal power plants, petrochemical plants, cross-country pipelines, pressure vessel construction companies, etc. are in search of large number of skilled dynamic mechanical engineers who can deliver the expected output to complete the projects in specified time. In February 2002, Induscan Petroleum Institute has designed and developed syllabus, faculty and facilities for the short-term course of Oilfield Engineering and Quality Control, exclusively for mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineers all over India undergo training from Induscan every year since 2002. Providing professional training, proper exposure and perfect placements, Induscan Petroleum Institute could construct a strong bridge between mechanical engineers and mechanical construction industries. Thousands of mechanical engineers have successfully completed the course of Oilfield Engineering and Quality Control from Induscan Petroleum Institute since 2002. And they all got satisfactory job. They could take independent responsibilities without any previous experience. They realized that all mechanical engineering subjects are practically applicable. They experienced that salary range shoots up in logarithmic progression. They found unlimited opportunities in the oil field and related industries all over the world. They could see at least one senior engineer from Induscan Petroleum Institute in their company. Meanwhile, most of the LSTK EPC companies in India as well as abroad experience the caliber of engineers from Induscan. They select fresh mechanical engineers from Induscan and engage in direct responsibilities, just like engineers with minimum 3 years of relevant experience. The course: Mechanical Engineers BE BTech can join for the course of Quality Control Engineer. OEQC and Mechanical Engineering Diploma holders can join for the course of Quality Control Inspector OEQC. After successful completion of the course, the candidates are capable of handling various responsibilities of oil field construction independently, just like an engineer with minimum 3 years of relevant experience. The course syllabus and lab facilities are designed in such a way that engineers can take responsibilities in any position as listed below with best pay scale: Planning Engineer, Purchase Engineer, Materials Engineer, Piping Engineer, Fabrication Engineer, Welding Engineer, Inspection Engineer, QA/QC Engineer. Classroom and lab facilities: Induscan Petroleum Institute is well equipped with advanced classroom, laboratory and workshop facilities. Theory classroom. 350 square meter fully air-conditioned theory classroom with perfect sitting arrangement, sound system and projector display screens for general subjects. Separate classroom with all facilities are arranged for specific subjects. Piping lab. Piping lab is constructed with the following specification. Total area is 110 square meter. 750-inch meter erected piping of heavy wall thickness carbon steel pipe ranging from half NS to 12 NS using butt and fillet welding. Piping lab is facilitated to explain P&ID and GAD, isometric pipe supports, coordinates, elevations, etc. 3 types of static equipment, heat exchanger, horizontal vessels and column is installed in piping lab to explain equipment drawing, equipment construction, nozzle orientation, etc. Materials lab. Materials lab is arranged at 150 square meters in area. Sufficient quantity of almost all kinds of mechanical construction materials such as seamless pipes, ERW pipes, flanges, gasket, fasteners, elbows, T's, reducers, OLEDs, weld caps, valves, etc. ranging from half NS to 12 NS in size. Welding lab. Welding lab is arranged with the following specification. Lab area is 110 square meter. Facility to explain different types of welding process, welding procedure qualification, WPS PQR, welder's qualification test, weld visual examination, welding positions, weld defects. Radiography test. Radiographic test lab is facilitated to explain all types of radiographic techniques within the area of 75 square meters. Sufficient types of film samples of various radiographic techniques are arranged in this lab. Detailed explanation about standards code, etc. with the help of practical radiography is available from this lab. Ultrasonic test. Ultrasonic lab is arranged with facilities to explain test methods of different types of weld joints, machined items, casting, forgings, etc. Digital type UT machines, different types of calibration blocks, various types of transducers, etc. are arranged in UT lab within the area of 75 square meter. Penetrant test. Both the solvent removal visible method and solvent removal fluorescent method are used in PT lab within the area of 75 square meters. Different types of test samples are explained with PT. Magnetic particle test 75. Electromagnetic yoke method, permanent yoke method and prod method of magnetic particle testing is arranged in MT lab. Hostel and canteen facility. Fully furnished hygienic hostel facility is available within the institution campus. Reading room, library and TV room are attached with hostel. Clean, neat and hygienic canteen is also arranged for tasty and timely food for hostel inmates as well as other students. Eligibility criteria for admission. Course completed certificate of BE or BTech in mechanical engineering is the basic qualification preferably required for admission for the course of Quality Control Engineer. BE or BTech in production industrial engineering is also eligible for admission. Course completed certificate of Diploma in Mechanical Engineering is a basic qualification preferably required for admission for course of Quality Control Inspector. Diploma in Production Industrial Engineering is also eligible for admission. For more details, registration, admission, syllabus, etc., refer course brochure available from the website. Visit our office for more details about the syllabus. Placement policy. It is not necessary to guarantee job for engineers who have successfully completed the course of Oilfield Engineering and Quality Control from this institution. Almost all of our previous batch students are well placed in India as well as abroad. However, we have a batch-wise placement policy to help our students. Institution's placement policy for batches of 2014 and 2015 is as below. For Grade A students who scored 90% and above, guaranteed placement in India. For Grade B plus students who scored 80% and above but less than 90%, placement support from Ahmedabad or Mumbai operating centers. For Grade B students who scored 70% and above but less than 80%, placement guidance. Previous year statistics indicate an average of 25 to 40% candidates fall under Grade A criteria and 40 to 50% under Grade B. Applicants are requested to read the course condition during admission, in which eligibility criteria for all grade is specified in detail.
With great pleasure, we invite you also, as a mechanical engineer, to join Induscan and complete the course of oilfield engineering and quality control.
Induscan Petroleum Institute, creating successful careers in oilfield engineering. An ISO 9001-2008 institution. Court Road Junction area, Nilambur 679329. Phone 04931 221 957, 04931 220056. Email info@induscan.net. Website www.induscan.net.